In this video, I'm going to show you how to start up a content creating. If you are someone you are interested in content creating but actually you don't know where to start, this video is for you. So watch this video to the end as I teach you the tutorial. Now, as a content creator or as a beginner, if you want to start up a content creating, there's two things that must come into your mind, which is the name and the type of content you want to create. Now, I want to talk about the name first. Under the name goes together with the social media account that you'll be using. If you want to start up a content creating on YouTube, the name you name your YouTube channel is very essential because that's the only way people will get connected to you by research. What you do for the first time is that you go across all social media to search for your name to see whether there are other active accounts. So you go to Facebook and search for the name, you go to TikTok and search for the name, you go to other platforms to search for the name. So if you don't see any active page or any active account for your name, then you can go on by using that particular name to create your YouTube channel. The main reason is that if you don't do research about your name, if you use that particular name to create your YouTube channel and there are other content creators that are using the same name, you lose most of your followers because some of your followers will end up by watching that particular person's video because you are using the same name. So you should make sure that you go across all social media, search, do research, and see whether there are also active accounts. The most vital reason why doing research before naming your channel or your social media account is that when you choose a name that there are others also using the same name, there are also active accounts that are using the same name, it means at least 30% of your followers and your viewers are gone through research. Some people might hear your name from somewhere and decide to search for you on YouTube. So when they search for you on YouTube, if unfortunately you are the most less niche using that name, what I mean is that there are other people using your name but their niche is higher than you. It means they are gonna scroll to the down before you can find your account because your niche is very low. They get higher views, they get higher followers, so your name will be under they'll scroll to the down before they can find your account. So if in case they search for your name and other people that are using your name, they are having higher niche than you, then it means they are going to scroll. So if they are scrolling and they get tired, they don't find your account, it means do not get to you. That's the best reason why you should do research before naming your account. Now that you are done with the research, I think you should continue creating your account, which I will do in my next video. Now let us go back to the content creating. The content creating also carries a lot. As a beginner, you need to focus on your content creating. Check to see where you are good. What can you do on social media that others will like? Do it by interest. Don't see it in someone and try to copy the person. Don't go to TikTok and watch someone's video and be like, the video is very interested, so it will be like creating the same content. No, check to see where you are good at. What can you post that people will like? Actually, this content creating, it carries two things. It's either you come on social media to create content for fame or you come to create content to gain money. Check to see where you belong to. After you have now discovered where you belong to, the type of content you like to create by interest, now you ask yourself, that particular content that I've chosen so far, will I be able to get a lot of videos in it? That is important point that you need to think about, because there are other content that you choose, and when you choose the content in future, you be uploading videos. When you reach to a certain point, you lack a lot of videos, and lacking of a lot of videos, there are so many things that will happen to your channel. things like your followers will leave you because your niche will also calm down because you are not active any longer. All those time that you should upload, you are there thinking the type of content to shoot. So the content is very essential. Make sure you get into the content, you are up right there before you start uploading videos. Don't choose content that you can't invest into. Content like traveling vlog. Traveling vlog carries a lot of things that you need to invest in. If you don't know someone in USA but you want to go to USA for vlog, those content belongs to rich people because they are traveling always. Make sure you choose content that you can be comfortable with, not content that will give you stress. There are a lot of content. We have comedy, we have reactions, we have traveling vlog, we have interview, we have a lot of content, and people actually bring their own way of generating content by creating a video, which people normally do on TikTok. It is the same content, but what they do is that they put their picture or their video, they crop it to a smaller size and they put it at one corner of the video. Then the video will be playing. Do not talk, do not do anything. It's a content. So my brother and my sister, if you are up there, don't be there and be thinking about the type of content you need to create. Just check yourself to see the type of, or what will you do that will make people funny. When you go to TikTok now, there are many people that are doing things that even if you watch it, you ask yourself, is this thing content? What is educative about this? But the person gets a lot of views, a lot of followers. Creating content doesn't matter whether you are beautiful, you are handsome or not. Just ask yourself, what can I do that when people watch it, they will like it or they'll follow me? Now, after that, after you have discovered the type of content or what you are interested in, you can now go on start shooting your videos because already you have created your YouTube channel or your social media account. It is so easy. Don't be waiting until you had your plan to buy all the equipment down. No, start with the little equipment that you have. Start with the few equipment you have. As far as you are having phone, you can start up your content creating. The only thing about content creating is the sound and the camera quality. So if you are having phone and you can record yourself, then there's a way that you can equalize your sound at a settings, which I'll be doing in my next video after teaching how to create YouTube channel. Don't keep waiting until you get the money at hand and go and buy all the equipment, the important equipment for content shooting. No, the only two important thing you need to get is the mic, which will boost your sound, your voice, and your camera. So if you have phone and the phone's camera is very good, I think you can start up your content creating. And we have a lot of websites. We have AI tools that can boost your voice, your sound. They'll think you use mic, which I'll be doing in a lot of my videos, teaching you how to boost your sound, how to do editings. So the most essential thing is two. There are two. We have camera and mic. So if you have phone now and you don't have mic, I'll be teaching you how to boost your sound after shooting video. They'll think you use mic. So stay tuned on this channel, Vistazan Media. You can start a content creating just today. Don't wait until you buy HD camera. Before you start up a content creating, you can just start with your smartphone. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. Stay tuned so that you not miss any step. If today is your first time watching this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends if you really like it. If you have any question to ask, the comment section is over there. Ask me and I'll answer you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.